Yo, 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 this is Mr. O. What's up, Mr. O here, and today we're gonna learn how to apply and use solving system of linear equation in word problem setup in a real life application. And at this time, we all know how to solve already system by graphing, substitution, and elimination. In applying this in real life, you can use whichever method you would like to do. Okay, it always depends on how you present the problem. Like in real life, our solution to our problem has to be we have to have a lot of option in solving it. Depends on how the situation comes along. And the same thing with solving system linear equation. We will solve the problem based on how the problem present to us. Okay, so let's keep going here. Here, a large pizza at Palanzio's Pizzeria costs $6.80 plus 90 cents for each topping. The cost of a large cheese at Guido's Pizza is $7.30 plus 65 cents for each topping. So if you notice here, there are two pizza places, the Palazion Pizzeria, which charge $6.80 plus a 90 cents for each topping. Okay. And the other one will be the Guido's Pizza, which is cost $7.30 plus 65 cents for each topping. How many toppings need to be added to a large cheese pizza from Palacios and Guido's in order for the pizza to cost the same? That's the key. They have to be equal. Okay. So let's set first X to be the number of toppings because the number of toppings is the independent variable and the one that depends on that one will be the cost. So Y is the not number, but the cost, total cost of pizza. Okay, let's understand Palazios. Palazios will say the cost of the Palazzo pizza will be $6.80 plus 0.90 cents for each topping. So I put the X there. Because if the topping will be like two toppings, so you multiply it by 90 cents and add it to the $6.80. $6.80. That will give you the cost for Palazzo. While with Guido's Pizza, the total cost will be $7.30 plus 65 cents for every additional topping. Okay, so now our system is given to be this one here. Now, if we look at our system here, we have two equations wherein the y are both by itself. And you can do elimination, you can do graphing or substitution. But for me, I'm going to apply here using substitution method. Since this is equal to y, they're the same. So I can say that these two here are going to be the same too. And also remember, we're looking the pizza to cost the same. So I'm going to make it 680 plus 0.90 or 90 cents x is equal to $7.30 plus 0.65 x. Combining the like terms, I'm going to move this one over here. That will give me 0.50 cents. I'm going to move this one to the left, so I'm going to subtract by 0.65. That will give me 25.25 x. Divide everything by 0.25. The answer should be 2, but let's double check all our numbers here. 7.30 minus 6.80 should be 50 cents. I'm right. 0.90 minus 0.65, 0.25, so I'm right there. So 0.50 divided by 0.25, that will give us 2. So what's the meaning of 2 there? The price of the pizza will be the same for both Palazzo and Guido's when they added 2 toppings, because X represent the number of toppings. The question here is how many toppings need to be added? The answer is 2 toppings. So I'm going to add here 2 toppings. Make sense? All right, next. The length of a rectangle, so we have a rectangle, is equal to the triple of the width. So that's the hint. The length of a of rectangle is means equal sign equal to triple of the width. That's the first one. When you read that right away, you know that the length of the rectangle is equal to triple of the width. Okay, we know that L will be the length of the rectangle, and W is going to be the width of the rectangle. Which system of equation can be used to find the dimension? Dimension, you know that, of the rectangle if the perimeter is 86 centimeters. What do we know about perimeter? Perimeter of rectangle is double of the width plus double of the width of the length. So here we will just plug in the 3W to the L there. We're going to apply the substitution method here again. This is L, that's L. You're going to plug in 3W right there. So it will give us perimeter equals 2 times 3W plus 2W. But remember, we are also given that the perimeter of the rectangle is 86. So this P here will become 86. So it becomes 86 equals 2 times 3W plus 2W. Simplifying everything, 2 times 3 is 6W plus 2W. This will give us 86 is equal to 8W. Divide everything there by 8 and 8. Be 10 point something. 86 divided by 8. 10.75. So 10.75 is equal to W. Centimeters. While our length, we will plug in the 10.75 right there. So length is equal to 3 times 10.75 times 3, 32. So the length here is 32.25 centimeters. So our dimension will be 32.25 centimeters by 10.75 centimeters. This is the dimension. Okay. All right, let's go now to the next problem. The Frosty ice cream shop sells sundaes for $2 and banana splits for $3. On a hot summer day, the shop sold 8 more sundaes than banana splits and made $156. So what are the things that we know here? We know here that this ice cream shop sells 2 kinds. Sundae for $2 and banana split for $3. Okay. With this, we can set that the S is a sundae. Okay, hold on. S will be the number of sundaes. Not that spelling. SU. And B for the number of bananas. Banana split. Okay. Now, and also we know that this shop made $156. And what I tell my students all the time, remember the dollar sign and the dollar sign and the dollar sign, they have to be on the same equation. That's a good hint. So we know that they sell the sundae for $2, but we do not know how many of that they sold. So I put 2S. And if you add it with the $3 of banana split, which 3B, because we do not know how many banana splits were there, they made $156. If you notice, they all have the dollar sign there. Okay. Now, but there's another hint given to us. On a summer day, the shop sold 8 more Sundays than the bananas. So, meaning to say, Sunday sold more, right? By 8 bananas. And for that to be the same, you have to add 8 to the bananas. And that's our system of equation here. Now, for us to solve it, we can do elimination, we can do substitution. I'm going to choose to do substitution. I'm going to plug in this S here, which is equal to B plus 8, right to this S here. So that will give me 2 of B plus 8, twice of that, plus 3B is equal to 156. Distribute 2B plus 16 plus 3B is equal to 106. 2B plus 3B is 5B. And subtract 16 here will be 140. And where's my calculator? Here. Okay. I think the answer is, I don't know, 140 divided by 5. It will be 28. So therefore, B equals 28. The number of banana split sold, so 28. And then if you plug in 28 to the B here, that will give us S equal to 28 plus 8. S is equal to going to be 36. All right. So therefore, there were 36 Sundays and 28 banana split. Okay. There you have it. Okay. Let's go to the next one. All right. Let's do this. Oops. All right. So Marcos had 15 coins in nickels and quarters. He had 3 more quarters than nickels. He wrote a system of equation to represent this situation, letting x represent the number of nickels. So let's write down x is the number of nickels and y is the number of quarters. Okay. It says here that Marcos had 15 coins in nickels and quarter. What can we get from there? We can say that x plus y is equal to 15 because there are 15 coins, and when you add the number of nickels and the quarters, when you combine them, it's equal to 15. The next hint here says that he had 3 more quarters than nickels. So therefore, means say the quarters and nickels are the same, although he had 3 more quarters than nickels. So you're gonna add 3 to where? Quarters or nickels? You're gonna add it to the no, I'm wrong. X is the number of nickels. Okay, this wrong. You're gonna add it right here because X is a nickel. So he had 3 more quarters compared to nickels. Okay. So here you have an option. You can do substitution or elimination. Okay. I know that Y is equal to Y here. So therefore, I will plug in this X plus 3 right there. That will give me X plus 3 is equal to 15. And 2x plus 3 is equal to 15. 2x is equal to 12. So therefore, x is equal to 6. And then you plug in the 6 right there. Therefore, 6 plus 3 is equal to y. 9 is equal to y. So therefore, there are 6 nickels and 9 quarters. Okay. Oh, there you go. We have one more here. All right. So at a restaurant, the cost for breakfast taco and a small glass of milk is $2.10. The cost for two tacos and three small glasses of milk is $5.15. Which pair of equation can be used to determine the cost of taco and M, the cost of a small glass of milk? So basically here we're gonna write an equation. Okay. So let's analyze the first situation. Um, Breakfast taco and a small glass of milk will cost us $2.10. So let's say here T is the number of taco and M is the number of milk, glass of milk. So the first scenario give us a taco plus a milk is equal to $2.10, because when you add them, will give you $2.10. Okay. While the second scenario here, the cost of two tacos and three small glasses will be $5.15. So we know it will be two tacos plus three glasses of milk is equal to $5.15. Hold on, I forgot something here. This is not the number of taco here. Let me erase it. Let me clear the variable. Make sure it's defined properly. T represent the price or the cost of one or a taco. So we're talking about here dollars. And M there is the cost of a glass of milk. Okay. So now we have here our system of equation, and we're gonna try to solve it using elimination. I'm gonna multiply the top portion here by, let me decide first. Should I would like to eliminate the taco or the milk? I'm lactose tolerant, so I'm gonna get rid of the milk. Okay, so I'm gonna multiply the top portion by -3, because when I multiply -3 right here in this term here, it will give me an opposite of the 3m. So this will be now -3t minus 3m is equal to -$6.30. And now I can cancel this out. This will give me -t is equal to $1.15 negative. That means I'll get the taco is $1.15. Okay, that's the price for the taco. While the milk, I'm gonna plug in the $1.15 to here, or I can put it here, but I decided to go to the first one. It's a lot easier. So $1.15 plus M is equal to $2.10 minus $1.15 on both sides. Therefore, the cost of a glass of a milk, get the difference of that, 210 minus 1.15 will give me 95 cents for the glass of milk. Is the cost. Okay. All right, there you have it. That's how you solve system linear equation with, applying it in real life situation. You can do substitution, elimination. In working the word problem, after you read the question, you have to analyze what are the variable and apply it, and able to set up the equation and then solve it there. Okay, I hope you learned something. Kaboom.